What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2013 Suzuki Burgman. Guys, this bike is awesome. This scooter is awesome, I should say. There are a few flaws on the scooter. I want to start back here in the back. A couple scuffs. Now, I could probably try with my scuff remover and maybe get those out. I will try later. A little bit of a stone chip there. That's probably not coming out. The scooter's amazing, guys. These things are like, scuff right there, pretty darn expensive, brand new for being a scooter. No offense to you scooters lovers out there, but if I'm paying this much for a scooter, I'm just buying a motorcycle. But this one's in great shape, guys. That needs to be pushed down a little bit right there. Not a huge deal. This is super clean. This white. These things fly. This is like the Cadillac of scooters. This is like scooter guys that ride this. It's like riding a CVO to a Harley meet. Everyone notices you when you're on your Burgman. Everyone's like, yo, is that Burgman? Yo. Scuff right there. Yo, is that a Burgman? Is that what I think it is? Guys, this is like every scooter guy's dream. You got like 14-inch, 12-inch, 5-inch tires. I've never owned a scooter. I would imagine they're crazy cheap to maintain, considering the tires are the size of bicycle, like smaller than Hot Wheels tires, and there's really not that much to them. But they're awesome. I mean, hey, for that guy that wants to tour on a scooter, go for it. I mean, all power to you. You're still riding. I'm all about it. There's the, oh, that's sick. Concealed gas, that's dope. These things probably get like 100 million miles to the gallon. Let's see. 2,562 miles now. This has got some high-tech stuff here. Oh, I guess I gotta fire it up. Oh, Suzuki, you dog. Oh. Forgot Suzuki, makes you fold in the clutch. Okay. So, up. Down. What? Electronic folding mirrors? Yo, that's the coolest thing I've ever seen on anything. Scooter, no, non-scooter.
What'd you say?
Electronic folding mirrors. You see that? How crazy is that? Did you know it had that?
Why do you need that?
I have no idea, but it's amazing. Someone's gonna hit your handlebars if they're gonna clip you.
If you can make it go flat enough, it might start flying. That's amazing.
It's crazy, right?
I need that.
Screen up, down. Oh, that's the windshield.
Look how fast it is.
Oh my gosh, that is the quickest windshield. I imagine like the Batmobile, but like that's something that would be on the Batmobile. That quick. Boom. Covers up. Boom.
Wow.
What's D and M? Oh, that just takes you like this. What's this? Up, down? Is this adjustable suspension?
Maybe shifting.
Oh, that would make total sense. Put that piece in sport mode and pop a wheelie. Okay, as you can see, it runs. I just had it running for the last like 5 minutes as we saw the awesome adjustable folding or electronic folding mirrors. Guys, it's a Suzuki Burgman. These things literally run forever. And when it's done running, ship it somewhere else in the world, and they'll probably run it for another 10 years, and then they'll ship it somewhere else in the world, and they'll run for another 10 years, and then they'll ship it somewhere else in the world, and it'll run for another 45 years. I don't think these things die. Don't hold me to that. But this thing is super cool. It's a Burgman. It's a Burgman thing. Burgman life. Maybe I'll just start riding a scooter now that I can't freaking keep a bike on 2 wheels. But thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the test drive on this. I'm sure Sean's going to rave about how awesome this Burgman is. Like I said, guys, make sure to check out the test drive video. Check out the Instagram at Srkcycles. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.